from a time and place as far away on a sea of leaves. Epiphany on the moors of us, on the back so low where the shadows fell all by itself. I'm reaching out, oh I'm reaching for you, where I've held my doubt, oh I still adore you. Ghost of my heart, ghost of my heart. Do we stay the same when we hesitate? Fall into place or fall away?